What if I told you the reason you're still broke isn't your salary? It's the way you think about money. Like, seriously, have you ever checked your bank account and thought, did I accidentally subscribe to something called Broke Life Premium? You work hard, you try to save, but that first $100,000 feels about as realistic as becoming a professional unicorn trainer. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your first 100K is not a dream, it's a system. And once you hit it, money starts working harder than you do. Let's get one thing straight. The reason most people never reach 100K isn't because they're lazy. It's because they're using the wrong strategy. They're trying to fill a bucket that has holes in the bottom. Money comes in, money disappears, and they wonder why nothing ever changes. Here's the shift you need to make. Wealth is not built by working harder, it's built by working smarter with systems. Because every dollar you save today is actually multiple dollars in the future. That's the power of compound growth. And this is why your first 100K is the hardest, because at the beginning, you are doing all the work. Every dollar comes from your effort. But once you hit 100K, something magical happens. Your money starts generating real returns. Not pennies, not spare change. We're talking hundreds, even thousands every year. That's when the game changes. That's when momentum kicks in. So let's break down the real strategies that actually move the needle. Number 1, stop ignoring taxes. This one's huge. Most people treat taxes like they're unavoidable, but the wealthy, they treat taxes like a game. Using accounts like 401ks or IRAs, you can literally reduce your taxable income, meaning you invest money and pay less tax. It's like getting a discount on building wealth, and yet most people ignore it completely. Number 2, take the free money. Yes, free. If your job offers a 401k match and you're not using it, you're basically rejecting a raise. Let me say that again. You are saying no to free money. A 50% match equals instant 50% return. No stock, no risk, no waiting, just free. Number 3, make more, don't just save more. Here's where most advice is wrong. They tell you to cut coffee, skip dinners, live smaller. But what if instead you made more money? Side income, freelancing, small business. And here's the key. You don't spend that money. You invest it, so your lifestyle stays the same, but your wealth explodes. Number 4, reinvest everything. Dividends feel good. It's like your money paying you. But if you spend them, you kill the momentum. Reinvest those dividends, because that's how money multiplies. It's not about earning, it's about stacking. Number 5, fees are killing you, quietly. You might not see it, but investment fees are silently draining your wealth. 1% might sound small, but over time, that's tens or hundreds of thousands lost. The solution? Low-cost index funds. Same performance, less cost, more money in your pocket. Number 6, stop trying to be smart. Seriously, timing the market? It sounds smart, it feels smart, but it doesn't work. Even professionals fail at it. Miss a few of the best days in the market, and your returns collapse. So instead, be consistent. Invest regularly. Ignore the noise. Let time do the heavy lifting. Number 7, keep it simple. You don't need to be a genius investor. You don't need to pick the next Tesla or Apple. Just invest in the market itself. Index funds, hundreds of companies, one decision, simple wins. Number 8, avoid lifestyle inflation, the silent killer. This is where people destroy their future. You get a raise, and instead of investing it, you upgrade your life. Better apartment, better car, more expenses, and suddenly, you're still broke, just at a higher income level. The wealthy do the opposite. They upgrade their investments, not their lifestyle. Number 9, the big one, housing. This is the game changer. Your biggest expense is your biggest opportunity. If housing is eating 40 to 50% of your income, you're stuck. But if you reduce it, roommates, smaller place, better location, you can free up thousands every year and invest it. That single move can literally add hundreds of thousands to your future. Here's the truth. None of these strategies alone will change your life, But together, they create momentum, a system, a machine. And once that machine starts working, reaching 100K isn't hard anymore. It becomes inevitable. And after that, everything speeds up. Your money grows faster, your stress goes down, your freedom increases. So the question isn't, can you reach 100K? The real question is, when are you finally going to start? If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, then don't just scroll away. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and start building the version of your life that your future self will thank you for. Because trust me, they're watching.